Hi friends, today we'll solve some numerical based on the low pass filter. I select this numericals, design a low pass first order filter at a cutoff frequency of 1 kHz with a passband gain of 2. First order means one combination RC. Second order means two RC combinations. Passband gain means this is for low pass filter, so like this is the passband gain, this is the passband, here the gain is 2, here onwards here this is stop band. So over this band the gain is 2, on vertical axis there is a gain, on horizontal axis there is a frequency, is it? So gain of this band is given, this is 2, and the cutoff frequency means this is the FH. At cutoff frequency the F equals to FH, and the gain relation is 70.7% of flat band gain, passband gain, that is AF. So at this point here this 70.7% of AF. Our aim is design a low pass first order filter. Design means our aim is find out here the value of this component and substitute the values at proper place here. This is the design process. This is the circuit diagram of first order filter. So the first step, that is the cutoff frequency. The formula for the cutoff frequency, this is FH equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. Here this R means this C means this R1 and RF that deals with gain of this filter. Substitute here value of this FH, this is the frequency, cutoff frequency, so 1 into 10 raised to 3 equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. Here two unknown R and C. Assume C equals to 0.01 microfarad. This is the assumption. You can select here 0.1, 1 microfarad, whatever value, but take care about here the C should be less than or equals to 1 microfarad, is it? So any value you can select here C. Substitute or rearrange this equations for R equals to 1 upon this 2 pi into this FH 1 into 10 raised to 3 into C, that I have select 0.01 microfarad. Simplify this value, R equals to, so this R equals to 1 upon 2 pi into 0.001 into 10 raised to minus 3, right? Okay, then this R equals to, calculate this value of R equals to, this is about 5.92 into 10 raised to 3 means 15.92 kilo ohm. This is the value of R. Write down here this value of R, this is 15.92 K. See that we have assumed this is 0.001 microfarad. These two have to determine. Then R1 and RF deals with the gain of this filter. We are providing input signal to non-inverting terminal of operational amplifier. So for this configuration, AF equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. This is the formula for gain for non-inverting configuration. Passband gain is given 2. So this 2 equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. Is it? Rearrange this. This is 1 equals to RF upon R1. So we can write here R1 equals to RF. This formula allows us to develop the relation between R1 and RF. Any one we have to assume and another one have to determine. Here for this value of passband gain, the relation between R1 and RF is equals to, so R1 equals to RF. Assume any one of this. Suppose I select here the R1 equals to 10 kilo ohm. Relation between R1 and RF, that equals to, so that's why RF equals to 10K. Substitute this value, R1 equals to 10K, RF equals to 10K. Is it? This is the simple numerical. Design the low pass first order filter at cutoff frequency and pass band gain. Is it? These two formulas, AF equals to and FH equals to. Okay. Okay. One more numericals. We'll select. Okay. This is based on the second order filter. Design a second order low pass filter at higher cutoff frequency of 1 kilohertz and pass band gain equals to 1.5. This is the second order. Second order means this RC combination and this two another RC combination. So there are two RC combinations. That's why this is second order. While in earlier numerical, 1R and 1C. So that's why the first order. Rest of circuit diagram remains same, even the working. This R1 and RF deals with the gain. This four component R2, R3, C2, C3 deals with the filtering of this. Formula for again same parameters as given in this numericals here. The cutoff frequency of filter is 1 kilohertz and pass band gain is 1.5. So FH equals to, FH is given, this is 1 kilohertz. Formula for FH for second order filter, FH equals to 1 upon 2 pi under root of R2, R3, C2, C3. This is the formula for cutoff frequency. Okay. For our simplicity, we can develop the relation, or we can use R2 equals to R3 equals to R and C2 equals to C3 equals to C. Substitute here. So this equation becomes 2 pi 1 upon 2 pi into RC. This R square C square. So this formula becomes 1 upon 2 pi RC. FH is given 1 kilohertz. Same process, 1K equals to 1 upon 2 pi RC. Assume C equals to, you can select any value of this C. Suppose we select here the C equals to 0.0047 microfarad. Substitute this value, rearrange this formula for R. This is 1 upon 2 pi into 1 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.0047 into 10 raised to minus 6. Simplify this formula for R. After simplifying this, value of R equals to, this is 33.88 kilo ohm. But R, this is nothing but, so this R equals to R2 equals to R3. So indirectly here the value of R2 equals to 33.88 equals to R3. So write down here, this is 33.88K, this is 33.88K. C that we have assumed. Again the relations for the C, this equals to C2 equals to C3. So here this is 0.0047 microfarad. This is a 0.0047 microfarad. Then R1 and RF has to determine. Formula for this two deals with the gain. We are using non-inverting configuration because the input signal connected to non-inverting terminal. So the gain equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. Pass band gain is given, that is 1.5, means AF. So AF equals to 1.5 equals to that RF upon R1. 1 plus RF upon R1. Rearrange this equation. So 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5 equals to RF upon R1. The relation is 0.5 R1 equals to RF. So assume, I assume here the RF equals to, suppose I select here the 10K. Relation between RF and R1, this is the relation. So by knowing this relation and by assuming the value of RF equals to, therefore the R1 equals to, this is the 20K. R1 equals to 20K. RF equals to 10K. Is it? So after calculating all this value, write down this value to its proper place here. Again, sometime, okay, we'll select here the next numerical. This again, this is based on the second order filter. For a second order filter, this is somewhat different. For a second order filter, this is the low pass. Calculate the cutoff frequency and passband gain if the component values are given. Exactly opposite of the earlier one. When in the earlier case, this cutoff frequency and passband is given and the value of component has to determine. In this numericals, the component value is given and cutoff frequency and passband gain has to determine. Second order, so this is the circuit diagram of the second order, that is a pair of this R2 C2 R3 C3. This is the deals with the gain. So formula, non-inverting configuration, so AF equals to 1 plus RF upon R1. Value of R1 and RF is given. R1 equals to, substitute here, 1 plus RF is 7K, R1 is 12K. Simplify this, and this AF equals to 1.583. So this is the passband gain. Second parameter, that is the cutoff frequency, FH equals to. For second order filter, the cutoff frequency FH, this is the formula 1 upon 2 pi under root of R2 R3 C2 C3. Is it? Sometimes here this notation may differ. This R2 means this one, R3 means this one, C2 C3 this one. Is it? Here again same relations here, R2 equals to R3 equals to 33K, C2 equals to C3 equals to 0.001 microfarad. So by using this relation, this formula becomes 1 upon 2 pi RC. Is it? Substitute this values, 1 upon 2 pi into R means here this is the 33 into 10 raised to 3 into C means this is the 0.001 into 10 raised to minus 6. So the FH equals to, this is about 4.82 kilohertz. This is the cutoff frequency. Again, sometimes here the may ask plot the frequency response. So this is the low pass filter. So the frequency response, I select here the frequency on horizontal axis, gain on the vertical axis. Low frequency, this is the passband gain, this is 1.58. So this is the passband. Over this is gain is 1.58. Again, after this FH, this is reduced by 20 dB per decade. Here some this is FH, and here this is the gain is AF equals to 1.583. This is the passband gain. FH, that is the cutoff frequency, equals to 4.82 kilohertz. Is it? Okay, this is the frequency response. Yeah, so we'll stop here.